The Rogers Xfinity XR11 and XR15 remotes rely on two AA batteries for power. When your remote stops responding or displays a low battery alert on your TV screen, it's time for a battery change. Both models use standard 1.5 volts AA alkaline or rechargeable NiMH batteries. Avoid using lithium or rechargeable lithium-ion batteries, as they may cause overheating or malfunctions. To begin, locate the battery compartment on the back of the remote. It's a sliding door with a small notch. Gently slide the door open without using any tools. Remove the old batteries, paying close attention to the positive plus and negative minus markings inside the compartment. Insert the new batteries, ensuring they are oriented correctly. Finally, close the battery compartment and test the remote's functionality by pressing a button. If the remote doesn't respond, proceed to the next section on troubleshooting. If your Rogers Xfinity remote is still unresponsive after replacing the batteries, double-check the battery orientation and ensure the contacts are clean. If problems persist, you may need to resync the remote via the Xfinity app or by holding the setup button for 5 seconds. To extend battery life, consider using rechargeable AA batteries. Software updates released by Comcast optimize battery life by reducing idle power consumption, with users reporting up to 20% longer battery duration after updates. Also, avoid cheap knockoff batteries, as they can cause connectivity issues. Properly dispose of your old batteries via eco-friendly channels as per Canadian regulations, such as Recycle BC programs.